Emeka, come closer. When your car tire deflates at 3 a.m. in the morning, when you're coming back from the club, remember that all the local vulcanizers are probably snoring and switching gears in their sleep. What then do you do? Well, this is where Smart Tyre Repair Kit comes to the rescue. Let me show you how to fix your flat tire in no time. First, you turn on your car ignition, then you see this connector over here, you attach it to your car charger. Now, before you start anything, you have to check the tire gauge, which is usually at the driver door area. Now, we remove the cover from the valve and we screw in the connector. Press the power button. And voila, when it gets to the required amount, it stops on its own. I mean, that's why it's called a Smart Tyre Repair Kit. It's making sense, right? Wait, you don't have this life-saving tool. Oh yeah, enter our DM fast and order your own. It's very affordable.